All right, we're here at the tour of HP Power Sports, where we have a secret project under the tarp outside. Let's go in and meet the. Let's meet the master mechanic. Are you the master mechanic?
What's up?
What's your name, master mechanic?
MacMan.
MacMan. And is this your toolbox?
This is my toolbox. I got everything in here.
Everything. What's all those tools laying
My
over
tape
here?
measure so I can measure my horsepower.
Oh, measure horsepower. What about torque? You measure torque with that torque wrench, right?
Well, I add torque with my torque.
You add
wrench,
torque with the torque wrench.
You know, if it's got about 150 pounds of torque, you know, I can put about 250 more on there. We can put
Just add torque. That's
if you
impressive.
take it away,
Now, how much?
errors.
If somebody wants to bring their vehicle down and add torque to it, how much do you charge to add more torque?
Well, we'll have to talk about that when we get here.
Okay. And this is your workbench here.
No, this is where I sleep.
This is where you sleep. I thought you slept in the tanning bed over here.
No, man, it's my shower.
That's your shower?
Yeah.
All right, let's look at some of your pieces of equipment you're working on right now. Obviously, these are all clients. None of these are yours.
No.
What is it? What is this one?
This right here, man, this is a Kawasaki Ninja.
That's a KX 500, ain't it?
No, sir, it's a Kawasaki Ninja 6000.
6,000. How many horses does it have?
27.
27. Oh, the number. Have you added more torque to this?
Not yet, man.
All right, what's this that you're currently working on?
This right here, this is a YZ 426F with the nitrous turbo kit.
Ooh. Yeah,
Here's the nitrous. Here's the turbo.
does this have the plutonium?
They're both made of plutonium. Yes.
Made of plutonium.
Yes.
Now, am I correct in understanding that you have discovered a secret size of socket, 7.5 millimeter?
Absolutely, man. If I knew where it was, I'd show it to you. Problem is, I can't never keep
All
up
right.
with it.
And what's this last vehicle over here?
Oh, this is the Grim Reaper right here.
The Grim Reaper. Okay.
Yes.
What's it powered with? That's a 3-stroke engine, ain't it?
This whole thing's made out of plutonium.
Ain't this a 3-stroke?
No, sir, it's a 5-stroke.
5-stroke. Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna
Oh,
change
you
the game.
put a 4-stroke together with a 1-stroke.
We called O'Reilly's and we were actually able to purchase an extra stroke. So what we did was we added a stroke to this, and
And I assume that's a power stroke, right?
it's a powerful
Oh,
stroke.
I see you got some plutonium here too.
Yes, sir. That's the
All right.
turbo kit.
Do you want to tell everybody where your garage is?
No, sir.
Okay. Thank you for the tour.